This video is only for educational purpose. If you did anything illegal, only you will be responsible for it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to install Termux tool in your Android mobile. Using Termux, you can install 373 hacking tools in your Android mobile. So let's start today's video. So first, you need to install Termux in your mobile. Go to Play Store and search Termux and install it. I have already installed it. So then open your Chrome browser and in the search bar please on your desktop site. Now from the code copy it. Now open Termux. It will take some time. Now type the command pkg install git. Now type y. After that you need to type git clone and paste the link that you have copied earlier. After the cloning has been completed, type all these commands that I am going to type. Please do not skip any command. Now to install it, type /install. Now type y. It will install Termux in your mobile completely. You just need to wait. Type n. And please do not skip the video. It will take some time, so don't be panic. Type y. Now type exit. Now type cd ... Now type Termux. Now press 1. Now you can install any of the tool from the 373 hacking tools. There are a lot of tools like Wi-Fi Fisher, Wi-Fi Hacker, Jet Fisher, Hulk, Hammer. You can install anyway. Now today we will install Wi-Fi Fisher. So 354. Now it will install Wi-Fi officer. Now type exit. Now type 00, type X. Now type ls cd Wi-Fi officer. Type ls. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it. If you want any other tutorial, you can comment down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Next video is coming tomorrow.